तज्ञ विश्वेश्वर यांचा नमन करतो आणि आजचे चीफ गेस्ट गायकवाड साहेब, रिस्पेक्टेड डायस, सरस्वती, या कुंदिशार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता, या वीणावरदंड मंडितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासन, या ब्रह्माच्युतशंकर प्रभृतिर्दैवै सदा वंदिता, सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निश्चय सदा. Very much grateful to you all, the organizer, for inviting me to this function and to have some time with you, with such a cream of the society, the engineers. Actually, my parents wanted that I should be engineer. It's very difficult to become an engineer. It requires a mathematics and drawing. I was a mediocre student at the class. I remember one thing, what Khushwant Singh has quoted in his book, said, I shall be the last man to take studies seriously, because he was not very bright student in his school days. When his father was asked, Khushwant Singh is doing, Khushwant Singh बहुत time pass किया. He let me confess and tell you that during school days, I was not very studious, and naturally I had a mediocre career. And lastly, what Khushwant Singh said, that when he grew old, he became member of parliament, and he has to work hard. He said, success doesn't come to you as a windfall by burning midnight oil. Why I tell you, a time comes in your life when you really think that you have to be very serious. I have chosen legal profession because I was from the very beginning wanted to become a lawyer. Why law study is very important? Because it makes you fearless. The most timid animal on this planet, what I see is the rabbit and the man. Why I am saying man? Because I don't know why he could not build a nest or a house for him. Other animals, they are not dependent on the civil engineers to have, or the builders who have the houses. Familiar to our guest, Mr. Gaikwad, the IAS officer. See, they also may not be law graduate in the beginning, but throughout their career, they are concerned, IAS and officers are more concerned with law, because we are always governed by rule of law. Every human society is always working. What I always say, we are all in the clutches of the law. Because in a civil society, it is the rule of law that prevails. Lawyer is fearless in the society whenever we are in difficulty, as we always see, regard your interest, rights. This workshop on the law, engineers and law, will also very much help you to the engineers who are working in various fields, and I wish my wishes to you all to have this worship a great success organized by you all. Thank you, sir.